Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make table landscape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make table landscape. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Select this option and we can see here show the all pages at once. Then we go to a page, double click on this page. Then go to the tools section and select the table tools. Now we want to make a landscape table. Draw this table and landscape. Then click outside of the table and select the move tool. Now we can see we draw our table landscape very easily. You can add extra row or column to this table. Double click on this table inside and we can see here show the columns section and select this number and add extra column. Now I add 5 column, then press enter. Then you can add extra row, select this option and write your choice. Now I write 10, then press enter. Now we can see we insert a landscape table in this Affinity Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.